Engineers hate flaky tests, and they often suffer silently. That's why we wanted to build a tool to help them communicate and understand the impact of flaky tests on their organization. We want to give them the tools to be able to detect, quarantine, and eliminate flaky tests from their repos. Hi, my name is Vincent, and I'm excited to show you the Trunk Flaky Test public beta. The crux of the problem is wasted engineering hours through wasted time debugging and rerunning flaky tests, context switching, PRs being blocked by flaky tests that fail CI jobs, and lost confidence in tests. All of which is expensive and often underestimated because teams accept it as a part of the cost of development and sweep it under the rug. Trunk Flaky Tests can help you overcome these challenges by helping you detect flaky tests automatically, telling you and communicating the fact that a CI job in your PR failed because of a flaky test instead of a regular failure, helping you create tickets that are linked to your flaky tests so you can track and plan work to fix flaky tests, quarantine them so they stop impacting your CI jobs and PRs, and ultimately help you eliminate flaky tests. If all of that sounds interesting to you, let me walk you through some of Trunk Flaky Test's key features. Trunk Flaky Test analyzes the results from your CI jobs and branches overnight and on PRs to find flaky tests. We show you the health of your test suite at a glance in the Flaky Test dashboard. The metrics and the default sorting focuses on how many flaky tests are blocking PRs and gives you an estimate on the number of hours wasted due to flaky tests. This is how Trunk Flaky Tests detects flaky tests and surface the most impactful flaky tests and help you understand your test health status at a glance. Flaky Tests also focuses on communicating failures, so no time is wasted debugging known flaky tests. When you work on a PR, Flaky Tests generates reports to help you understand what failed and why they failed right in your PR and as a comprehensive report. If any test looks suspicious, you can search by the test name and Flaky Tests will bring up all of the recent failures for the same test sorted by a summary of the different failures, so you don't have to look through hundreds of lines of CI logs from different CI jobs to help you debug. If any of the unique failure reasons look out of place, you can always click on them to be able to view full stack traces and flip through different CI jobs to view all of their stack traces in one place. When you found your high-impact flaky tests, you want to make sure that it's tracked in your issue tracker of choice and that's clearly communicated with the rest of the team if it's being worked on actively. Trunk will generate full ticket descriptions for flaky tests with context and common failure reasons and automatically create, label, and assign these tickets if an integration is configured. You can also use webhooks for further customization or automation. As your team picks up and works on these fixes for a flaky test, it'll be reflected in the Trunk Flaky Test dashboard in real time to avoid miscommunication and duplicated work. Now, sometimes you can't get to fixing a known flaky test immediately. You also don't want to let the test fail repeatedly, which poisons your team's trust in your own test results. If you don't have time to fix a test, Trunk will let you quarantine tests so flaky failures are isolated from other failures. And quarantine tests will no longer cause your entire CI job to fail and not block your PR. No code change is required to disable these tests, they will just be quarantined. This lets you continually monitor results of flaky tests because you'll be able to see a summary of their failure reason in your PR test reports. We're excited to have you for the Trunk Flaky Test public beta, and you can join today at app.trunk.io. If you have more questions, you can always watch a more detailed walkthrough of Trunk Flaky Test features on our YouTube channel or ask questions in our Slack. Find all the links in the description, and I'll see you there.